All right, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2015 Honda Odyssey EXL. It's got 78,000 miles on it, white, diamond, pearl in color. It's got a clean Carfax, just one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it does have the nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome inserts on the door handles. Got your lock, unlock button here. It is equipped with a roof rack and sunroof. Okay, it's got your dual rear power sliding doors. Driver's side of the Odyssey is in great shape. All right, it is equipped with backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here as well. Got the lock, unlock button here on the passenger door. All right, got your blind spot monitoring camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. All right, once again, certified 2015, 78,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, does have the nice truffle leather. Driver's seat's in good shape. It is a power driver seat. All right, it's in really good shape. Got the sunroof up here. Got the center storage right here. Got numerous cup holders. You got the keyless entry key fobs. You got two of them here. Okay. Storage on the inside and here. Passenger seat leather looks good. All right, no problems there. Got a USB port here, power outlet, got your auxiliary here, another little storage area. Okay. Gonna have push button start. Gonna have your radio display right here. Got your climate controls right here, dual climate controls, heated seats. It's gonna have your backup camera and blind spot monitoring camera right here. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your cruise control on this side. Steering wheel audio and Bluetooth on this side. Okay. Got your blind spot monitoring camera button right here. Lane departure warning, and then you have your dual rear power sliding doors, power lift gate. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's officially got 79,007 miles. Okay, it just hit 79,000. Now that we got it started up, go ahead and show you your display screen right here. Okay, got the nice wallpaper, dual climate controls, the heated seats, and then down here you got your radio display. Okay, once again, push button start right over here. All right, let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. Let me dim that down for you just a little bit. Okay, it's got the guidelines on there as well. We'll put it back in park. Go ahead and do the blind spot monitoring camera. All right. Everything looks nice and solid through here. Let's go ahead and take a look in the second row. Alright, and you can simply just hit these two buttons here. Open, open. You've got the power sliding rear doors. Okay. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. Got a small little red stain right here. I don't know if you can see it, kind of right in here. Okay, just going to point that out to you. Second row leather's in great shape. All right, everything looks really good here. Third row leather. It's in perfect shape, no problem. Doesn't even look like anybody's even sat in it before. All right, interior in this Odyssey is in great shape. Go ahead and lift this seat back up. And go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, and you can either pull the handle to get the door to close, or you can simply press this button here. And we'll just pull the handle here, show you how that closes up nice and smooth. It's got the power lift gate back here. Simply press the button there. Well, alright, nice and smooth coming up. Does have the nice plastic protector mat back here. Okay. As you can see, there's plenty of room in the back of these Odysseys. All right, and then just simply press that button there to activate the power lift gate. Nice and smooth coming down. All right, and then on this door, we'll simply just press this button here. And actually, let me go ahead and lift this seat up. All right, I want you to be able to see that there's nothing wrong with this leather here on the second row. Everything's in really good shape. Got the bench seat back here. You can simply pull this. This middle section right here will come down. Got a couple of cup holders in there. We'll simply just press that close button there. All right. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Got Got 17-inch alloys. Okay. Brand new set of tires. You can still see the markings on them there. Alright, once again, certified pre-owned 2015, 79,000 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.